we're gonna do how to make slime. So guys, hope you subscribe. Let's go. Okay. First, we need glue. Okay. Okay, better. Thanks. So, and then we mix around. Then we mix it. And then we put a little bit of this in, which is called water. But it's hot water, what you need. You need hot water. Then after, you need this, which is called, activator, or constant solutions. That's all we need. Then mix it around again. And we need a little bit more because I added a little bit. Okay. And then mix it for like 5 minutes. Okay. This is going to be a long video because we cannot skip this video. We don't want to skip. It's going to be bad if we skip because we actually really want you to know. If you're a slime lover, watch this video. Or if you have a child and you have a brother and they love slime, you can ask them to watch this video, then they'll know. And then after, add some baking soda and put a little bit on your hand, like this much, this much, and then do this, and then do this. Then mix it again, and then it will smudge, turn into slime. It's already turning into slime. So yes, that's how to make slime. And now let's mix for 1 minute. You can actually have a little bit, or you can, if it's longer than 1 minute, it doesn't matter. It won't be like 50 hours. That'll be way too long. It just took 1 minute. Okay, it's already turning into slime, look. Okay, so, good. If it is turning into slime, then just mix more, then mix, and then if this happens, you need to make this go faster. And then let's pick the bowl, put it in our legs so it can be easier. Then, if you want this to be not sticky, you can add some oil. Then it'll be less stickier. But if you want it to be real slime, then you don't put oil in it. You don't actually need borax. There's so many slimes. There's so many different types of slimes. Then put on the table, and then and then place it, and you can, and then if you do this, the water, it'll be less watery, and if you put too much of this, you have to do this so the water goes out. And we'll make another video, but it will be how to fix your slime. Okay. Okay guys, hope you subscribe, but the video is not gonna end now. It's gonna end like in 5 more minutes or something. Or maybe not 5 more minutes, but now I guess. So bye-bye. Hope you enjoy.